Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa aswabihi ajmain. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you to lesson 10, As-Sukoon. Sukoon means resting in bouncing sound or echo. Sukoon is a circle or semicircle above a letter. As you can see, it looks like round ha, and this one looks like the head of ha. It shows that the letter has no vowel and only the phonetic sound of the letter should be pronounced. For example, ba. If there is no vowel on it, what will be the sound of ba? B. And please remember that a word can never begin with a sukoon, and the sukoon can only be read joined with the previous letter with haraka, fatha, kasra or dhamma. Please remember there are some letters when it comes as a sakin or sukoon, they give a bouncing or echo sound, which is called huruful qalqala. They are qaf, ta, ba, jim and dal. If you want to remember it, the easiest way is to remember it as qutba jad. Let's start with our lesson. Ad-Darsul Ashir, lesson number 10, As-Sukoon. Here you can see the sign of the sukoon looks like the head of the ha. And please remember, we have mentioned the letters of the qalqala, which are qutba jat. The first letter here we can see the sukoon letter is ba. So all the qutba jat letters are in green color. Hamza, fatha, ba, sukoon, ab. You see here, we don't say abba or abi or abu. We stop, make a sukoon. Hamza, fatha, ba, sukoon, ab. Hamza, kasra, ba, sukoon, ib. Hamza, dhamma, ba, sukoon, ub. Ab, ib, ub. Hamza, fatha, ta, sukoon, at. Hamza, kasra, ta, sukoon, it. Hamza, dhamma, ta, sukoon, ut. Hamza, fatha, tha, sukoon, ith. Hamza, kasra, tha, sukoon, ith. Hamza, dhamma, tha, sukoon, uth. Ath, ith, uth. Hamza, fatha, jim, sukoon, aj. Hamza, kasra, jim, sukoon, ij. Hamza, dhamma, jim, sukoon, uj. As you can see here, aj, ij, uj. We bounce the sound of the jim because it is the letter of qalqala, and or give an echo to the sound. Hamza, fatha, ha, sukoon, ah. Hamza, kasra, ha, sukoon, eh. Hamza, dhamma, ha, sukoon, oh. Ah, eh, oh. Hamza, fatha, kha, sukoon, oh. Hamza, kasra, kha, sukoon, eh. Hamza, dhamma, kha, sukoon, oh. Ah, eh, oh. Hamza, fatha, dal, sukoon, ad. Hamza, kasra, dal, sukoon, id. Hamza, dhamma, dal, sukoon, ud. Ad, id, ud. Hamza, fatha, dal, sukoon, adh. Hamza, kasra, dal, sukoon, idh. Hamza, dhamma, dal, sukoon, udh. Adh, idh, udh. Hamza, fatha, ra, sukoon, ar. Hamza, kasra, ra, sukoon, ir. Hamza, dhamma, ra, sukoon, ur. Ar, ir, ur. Hamza, fatha, za, sukoon, az. Hamza, kasra, dal, sukoon, iz. Hamza, dhamma, dal, sukoon, uz. Az, iz, uz. Hamza, fatha, sin, sukoon, as. Hamza, kasra, sin, sukoon, is. Hamza, dhamma, sin, sukoon, us. As, is, us. Hamza, fatha, shin, sukoon, ash. Hamza, kasra, shin, sukoon, ish. Hamza, dhamma, shin, sukoon, ush. Ash, ish, ush. Hamza, fatha, swat, sukoon, as. Hamza, kasra, swat, sukoon, is. Hamza, dhamma, swat, sukoon, us. As, is, us. Hamza, fatha, dwat, sukoon, ad. Hamza kasra dot sukun id. Hamza damma dot sukun ud. Ad id ud. Hamza fatha dot sukun attu. Hamza kasra dot sukun ittu. Hamza damma dot sukun ut. At it ut. Hamza fatha dot sukun az. Hamza kasra dot sukun iz. Hamza damma dot sukun uz. Az is uz. This is the end of lesson 10. I hope you understood the As-Sukoon. Please remember me, my family and my parents in your dua. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.